Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sonata Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, dual airbags. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.